Good morning. This video is how to change a featured image of a post in WordPress. So here you see we have our main website. We are logged in, but we are on the front end. So we want to click to the back end with the dashboard. We want to go to posts. Then we're going to find the post that we want to edit. For this specific task, for my client, he wants to edit the picture of this post specifically. So we're going to go to edit. And here you don't want to touch anything. Don't click this, don't click this, don't click any of that. Just scroll down on this right sidebar. Go to featured image. It may be that you have to drop it down. Click the image, and now that you're in your gallery, go ahead and select the image you want it to be. As soon as it'll load in. Okay, I'm going to switch for maybe this image. Okay, set featured image, and then you update, and then you're done. And that's how to set the featured image of a post in WordPress. Bye-bye.